Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm back with yet another tutorial video on app guide, and in today's video I'll show you how you can change a profile name on your TikTok account. So you have a TikTok account, you use that account to create a lot of TikTok videos, or you use that account to watch a lot of TikTok videos, and now you want to change your profile name on your TikTok account but you can't figure out how you can do it. Watch this video till the end. I'll show you some simple steps in order to change your TikTok account profile name in a very easy way. It's a very simple process, you'll have no problem doing it. So to change a profile name on your TikTok account, what you want to do is open your TikTok application on your mobile device. Once you open your TikTok application, make sure you're logged into the account that you want to change your TikTok profile name to. If not, go ahead and log into the account. Once you're logged into that account, what you want to do is tap on the profile option in the bottom right hand corner in order to go into your profile. Once you do that, you land on an interface like this. Here you'll have an option labeled as edit profile. Tap on that. Here you can see you have the name option, then the username option. To change your name, you want to tap on the name option, then enter the name that you want to change it to. Suppose I want to change it to this, then I'll tap on the save option. Once you tap on the save option, your name will be successfully changed. So that was a simple step in order to change your profile name on a TikTok account. So that will be it for today's video. Hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video with some new information. Goodbye.